and welcome to the 5th match of the Montet Volleyball Championship. We're here in South Sembo in Metro Manila for an exciting matchup between the Montet Queens and the Montet Vixens. The Queens have quickly become the team to beat. Match after match, they've shown why they're one of the strongest teams in the competition. For the Vixens, this is a very important game. A win would put them in a great position to reach the final. Even if they lose today, they'll still have one last chance in their final group match against the Angels.
Hello everyone! I am Faith Ocampo from Team Queens. So bago po kami nag-start ng game, syempre po, sinimulan muna po namin sa prayers para pagdagdag lakas at lakasaling manalo. Sinimulan na after namin mag-pray, nag-drills kami. Then, nag-usap-usap kami sa team kung paano diskartehan, paano manalo as a team. At kung paano kami mag-usap-usap sa loob ng court. Para wala po miscommunication at maayos po yung laro namin sa loob ng court. Walang
Speaking of the Angels, they seem to be the fans' favorites. Whether you look at social media likes or the crowd's reaction, they clearly have a lot of support. But popularity doesn't win championships. The Angels already know that their next match against the Vixens could decide who joins the Queens in the final. Everything is still to play for.
Hi po, my name is Princess De La Guerra. I'm from the group Vixens. In-expect po namin this game is magiging maganda yung laro namin since nung last game namin is nakuha namin yung panalo doon. And sana mas maging okay yung ikot namin and maging flexible lahat ng ka-team namin kasi yung okay yung game namin last game and sana makuha namin yung panalo ngayon.
Siguro po ang mangyari during the game. Focus lang po talaga kami sa goal namin as a team na manalo, syempre. Competitive din po kami. At i-show din po namin yung hindi lang po skills namin, pero papakita din namin yung teamwork namin.
Ang pinipare namin this game, siguro yung kung paano yung ikot ng players namin kasi masyadong madaming dos, madaming tres. So ngayon nag-adjust yung ibang ka-team namin para maging okay yung laro.
Hello, I'm Ashley from Team Queens. Yung game po namin kanina, pareho po yung lumalaban yung team. And yung sa amin po, mini-make sure po namin na mas lalamang pa po kami kasi may mga sub pa po din kami na gustong ipasok sa laban. And yun po, goal po namin manalo po talaga kasi gusto namin makapasok sa championship.
Ako po si Ira May Pangan, galing po sa team ng Queens. And para po nag-prepare po kami for this game, sa training po, every training umaattend. And talagang nag-effort po kami every training para ma-make sure po namin na maganda yung ipapakita namin mamaya at pinakita namin po kanina.
Hi, I'm Christine Mesa from Queens. Sobrang saya ko and as a team din, syempre nanalo kami and worth it yung pinagpagulan namin sa team. Nag-look forward ako sa mga kalaban namin sa championship.
And that's it for today. A dominant performance from the Montet Queens. What a team they are. They were simply too strong today and showed once again why they're at the top of the championship. Credit to the Vixens as well. They fought hard and had some good moments, but the Queens were on another level. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.